guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the skeleton from Minecraft, which looks like this. We have a bow and we got the body. If this was completely in white, it would look like the skeleton. Let's see how we can make it. Now let's start by making the body. For making the body, we should attach this piece this side. Then we should attach two of these pieces together like that. Then we attach it over here. Now we attach three of these pieces. And then we attach it in the front like that. See, now this is our body. Now we should make a final arm fitting. Now for making the arm fitting, we should attach this big piece slanted onto these two pieces like that. And then we attach them on top of this arm. By the way, these are the shoulders, the blue. And this is the front. Now as we have made these, now let's make the head. Now for making the head, we need 4 of these pieces. Attach one of them in the middle and then another one on the same height like that. Then attach this facing down like that. Now we attach this over here like this. This becomes our nose and these two gaps become our eyes. Then we just fit this on top. See like that. Now we have 2 holes. Now we attach this small piece in the bottom like that, and then we can use it like the neck. See, now our skeleton's head can move up and down. Now let's see how to make arm. For making the arm, we need to attach 3 of these pieces together. This is our arrow, and only this much is the arm for this hand. The other hand has a different arm to be able to be attached to the bow. On the left side of the skeleton, now you will know, as the left side should hold the arrow and the right the bow. Now I made the other arm, but just instead of this holder, I have attached the same bottom one like that. And then this is our hands. Now this, as I've mentioned before, is our arrow. Then I made this bow using only 3 pieces. It can be loosened and tightened by just moving the top 2 pieces. And then we should make sure that this rope is on the inside. We have, I'll give you a second look on this, as I'm not telling how to make it. Now we just attach it like that and make sure the rope is on the inside, not on the outside. Then we can just imitate like pulling it in like that, and then it can be made. Now we just tighten everything up. Now that's it. Now let's make the legs. For making the legs, we need to attach 2 of these pieces together, and then this piece like this. Make another one and then attach it to this piece like that. Then we do it on this side also, and then our skeleton is ready to fire a bow. See, our skeleton can hold the bow and shoot. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. See you next time for the interesting object to build. Bye!